In this video, I'll show you how to recover a deleted Google Maps timeline. First, open your web browser and search for Google account. Then, open the official Google account page and sign in to your account if prompted. Once you're signed in, click Data and Privacy from the menu. Scroll down until you find the Timeline section, then click on it. On the next page, you'll see the option to turn on Timeline. Click it to enable Timeline for your account. If your timeline data is still available or backed up, Google may restore your location history after Timeline is turned back on. However, keep in mind that this will not recover timeline data that has been permanently deleted from Google's servers. Once permanently deleted and no backup exists, Google does not provide an official way to restore it. To avoid losing your timeline history in the future, consider enabling timeline backups if the option is available for your account.